Hi, here I am. Finally, the big day is here. I am finally going to be able to get rid of these dentures that I hate and have some comfortable quality of life instead of having to deal with dentures that move or irritate my gums or get things stuck under, all the problems that anyone with dentures has experienced. And I'm actually excited. It's finally here, folks. I'm finally gonna get it done. My name is David Hixon. I'm 73 years old. I'm retired, thank the gods. And I wear dentures. And I was very, very tired of putting up with dentures. Anyone who's ever had the experience of wearing one or two dentures knows that it's not even similar to having your own teeth. The problem I had, that I faced in the United States, was simply the expense of having implants put in. Made it out of my league. It was very simple. I started investigating on the internet. I discovered this marvelous clinic, and I came to visit. I came to see what could be done for me and how expensive it would be. The clinic, from the moment I arrived, was impressive on every level. Almost everyone is bilingual. Everyone is incredibly friendly, incredibly helpful. I can't obviously speak highly enough about it. And then I was lucky enough to meet the doctor who heads the clinic. First they x-rayed me. This was prior to any cost being even discussed. I then met the doctor, as I said, who was head of the clinic. He had looked at my x-rays and he said to me, "How do you feel about your denture?" And I said, "How would you think I feel? I don't feel good." He says, "Well, what's kept you from having it replaced?" And I said, very simple, the expense. I can't afford to have implants put in. And I've checked with more than one dentist in the United States, and it simply is out of my league, so to speak. He said, "Okay, let's talk." We talked about it. He gave me a price on having the lower part of my jaw, having implants put in, and not a removable denture, but a permanent situation, very similar to what it was like when I had my own teeth. They have their own laboratory here, very, very equipped, high-tech laboratory. They are accredited by every major accreditation group in the world, and you can read it on their walls. It's quite impressive. The doctors themselves are very, very impressive. And very importantly to me, the cost was remarkable. It was a good 70, in some cases, in some of the other estimates I'd had, 70% less than I'd been told by at least a half dozen dentists in the United States. The average difference was 70% less. So I could only suggest to anyone who sees this that if they're interested in having, obviously, first-rate dental work done at a cost that is, using the word reasonable is almost silly. It's beyond reasonable. And perhaps taking a vacation in what's considered one of the most beautiful countries in the world and paying for it from what you save on your dental work, I'd give close consideration to this clinic. It is truly a worthwhile experience. That's it. It's over. I've got my implants. The whole process, I'm really quite taken aback. This is bloody amazing. The whole process is 20 to 30 minutes to put the implants in. Absolutely no discomfort. I, like everyone else in the universe, have a little trepidation, a little fear about going to the dentist, and I had more than a little fear about having this done. I'm totally blown away. No discomfort. 20 to 30 minutes, and it was finished. The implants were implanted. I don't know what else to tell you, except here is the denture, no more. Goodbye, good riddance. Goodbye.